Navigating the future responsibly requires all of us to get involved.
The lecture series on leadership in the future of work is a core platform for building and convening the global HR Valley, our people innovation ecosystem.
We will generate an ecosystem of future leaders working collaboratively on human and artificial intelligence for a better future of work.
Today was about technology, but in the end it's about the people and people innovation. That is the key of this initiative. I think it will be even more important in the future. So we need to exchange and have this dialogue.
As I highlighted, the rapid evolution of AI presents us with both challenges and opportunities. And by fostering an open dialogue, we can ensure that AI remains a force for human empowerment.
I feel that the leadership is changing to the level that we can enhance technology even more. The most important thing is to still focus on human-centric.
We live in a more and more complex world, and I think artificial intelligence can help us to reduce complexity and make better decisions.
My key takeaway from the lecture is that AI tools will give me more time to spend on meaningful tasks.
The part with questions and answers, it was like a live human conversation.
It's a very good event because it keeps you updated on the future trends.
It's about us as humans to get in the driver's seat and steer AI towards a positive outcome.
With all the progress of AI, it is important to keep in sight that the future of work should really be about people and about the question of how technology can be leveraged to elevate people to do more meaningful jobs and ultimately have more fulfilled lives.